In this video we will see how to blur an image using Google Colab and CV computer vision library of Python. So this is the image and we want to blur it. So the most simple blur is the Gaussian blur. So this is how this is the code which we use to apply the Gaussian blur. So this is the image file, then this is the 3x3 kernel. So uh, when we want to blur the image, then we have to define a kernel. So if you see, if I run the output, then you can see the image is blurred, but the blur is not that much. So if we want to increase the amount of blur, then we can increase the size of this kernel. So this was earlier 3,3 kernel, now it is a 7x7 kernel. So if now I run this, so you can see these two images, the amount of blur has increased. So we can increase the amount of blur by changing the value of this kernel. So if suppose I change it to 9, then also you can see that the amount of blurring has increased. So this is how we can blur the image using OpenCV library in Python. Thank you.